In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate standard deviation in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to run the calculation, what the result means, and a few tips to avoid common mistakes as you go. First, let's set the stage. Standard deviation is a measure of how spread out your numbers are. A small value means your data points are clustered close to the average, while a larger value means they're more spread out. In Excel, we'll use a built-in function so you don't have to calculate anything by hand. Start by clicking the empty cell where you want the answer to appear. Picking an empty result cell keeps your original data untouched, which is helpful if you plan to sort, filter, or share the sheet later. Next, type the formula. Begin with the equals sign, then type STDEV.S, followed by an open parenthesis. STDEV.S is the function for a sample standard deviation, which is what you use most of the time when your data represents a sample from a larger group. If your numbers represent the entire population, there's also STDEV.P, but we'll focus on STDEV.S here. With the parenthesis open, select the range of your numbers. You can click and drag over the cells, or type the range reference directly, like A2, A20. Make sure you include only the numeric cells and avoid headers or labels, because text shouldn't be part of the calculation. Excel will automatically ignore blank cells and text, but keeping the range clean helps prevent errors. If your data isn't all in one block, you can add another range by typing a comma and selecting the next block. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Excel will instantly return a decimal value, and that number is your standard deviation. It's in the same units as your data. For example, if your data is in dollars, the standard deviation is also in dollars. Lower values indicate that your numbers are more consistent. Higher values indicate more variability. If something looks off, here are quick checks. A. DIV is 0. Error usually means there aren't enough numeric values to compute the standard deviation. A has such value. Error often means there's text or an invalid reference in the range. Also confirm you didn't accidentally include a header cell. One more helpful note. Your formula is dynamic. If the numbers in your selected range change, Excel will automatically recalculate the standard deviation, so your result always stays current. That's it. Click the cell, enter STDEV.S with your range in parentheses, and press Enter. You've just calculated standard deviation in Excel with confidence and clarity.